How much does it cost to have my driveway cleaned? At RedClean, we have a formula that we work to in terms of how much it would cost to have a driveway cleaned, but the formula does depend on a few factors. Within this blog, we should answer all your questions. Some of the issues we face on driveway cleaning can be lichen. These are black spots that are unsightly. We can remove these 9 times out of 10 on the cleaning day with chemicals, steam and high pressure washing. The results are usually staggering. If for any reason we have stubborn black spots that won't remove on the day, we can add a biocide treatment, let nature take its course over a 6 to 8 week period, and then use steam and high pressure washer to restore the surface. Most of the time this process will be enough, but what can affect the driveway is the material itself. The issue is usually a rare case, but it can happen. All these factors can affect the price. Once we've used the standard formula for pricing an area, we will look to increase the price if the surface is covered in heavy microorganisms. How bad the site is depends on how much of a premium we would charge. You can expect to pay 10 to 20% more. Another obstacle we face when cleaning driveways is oil stains. Thankfully, many newer cars don't have the same leaky issues as old ones, but nonetheless, we still come up against it often. Oil is probably our worst nemesis. If you can get to it while it's fresh, you'll have more chance of lifting it for best results. The issue is once it settles into the porous surface, it's challenging to lift and clean so it's untraceable. We've achieved some excellent results using chemicals that can lift most of it so it's faded, but eradicating the stain without a trace is exceptionally challenging. The cost for us to remove stains can be anything from £50 upwards depending on the size. Another issue that could affect the price is how intricate the area is to clean. If the site is ample blocked space, that would be our standard pricing. But if you have a driveway with many pathways, stones, little walls, different path levels, lots of planters to move, etc., it can affect the price as well because it's time related. Depending on the issues that may slow down the job, you could expect to pay anything from 10 to 30% more. The above are common issues that may affect the price, but as we see many different types of driveways, some things that are not listed above could also affect the price. These cases are rare. As of writing this in mid-2023, the standard pricing we charge is £4 per square metre to pressure wash either cold or hot. If you would like your block paving resanded, that would be an additional £1.50 per square metre. We have a minimum charge of £120. We can sometimes reduce the price if the area has ample space with no complexities that would also slow us down, but the general rule of thumb is £4 per square metre. We only use the highest grade industrial pressure washers capable of 15 to 21 litres a minute and heat from 120 to 150 degrees. This level of equipment cannot be compared to a plug-in electrical type pressure washer. It would take 4 to 5 times longer and they don't have the power to cut through dirt and grime. They are fine for tidying up but not strong enough to cut through and restore the original surface. We hope this blog helps you understand the pricing structure to restore a driveway surface. Our sales team are always happy to help you with further questions.